Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your account on Weltrade. And we are right here in the dashboard of Weltrade, and we can verify our account by clicking on the arrow, then go to settings. Then from here we click on verification, and right here we have three options how we can verify. So the first option is the personal information. So they want you to have all your personal information, like your date of birth, first name and last name. They also want to have your mobile phone. So if you click confirm mobile phone number, we click on mobile phone, fill in here my phone number, then do continue and then verify your phone number. And then after that, when you did step 2 and step 3, they need to have some documents to check that you are the real person that you are telling them that you are. So these are the steps that you need to do to verify your account. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.